This project explores the potential of combining off-site manufactured solutions with adapted existing structures to deliver a mixed-use development that improves long-term asset performance. The proposed prefabricated system is merged with an existing brownfield warehouse structure to achieve a design that celebrates the heritage of the site whilst creating a development that is affordable, adaptable, and transportable. The concept acknowledges the clear benefits of design for manufacture and assembly, with a prefabricated modular system that works alongside several additional prefabricated components to achieve a development that can be disassembled piece by piece. The project's architectural concepts explore the three following main principles. Firstly, designing for flexibility and disassembly through a system that harnesses multiple prefabricated elements and efficient construction methods to ensure a development that can be altered to suit future sites. The second principle focuses on integration with existing heritage on the brownfield site and ensures a development that celebrates the heritage of the site and achieves visual cohesion between old and new. And lastly, the project focuses on community connection and supporting everyday engagement amongst residents within pleasant environments and access to greenery to ensure a healthy and more sustainable site. Each of these principles have been applied through various strategies that formulate the final development design. In collaboration with the engineers on the team, a hybrid steel and timber structural system was employed for the project. This system combines a stronger steel framework with infill timber CLT panels that allows for a simpler design with minimal bracing requirements. Steel timber composites further increase efficiency of moving, lifting, and placing modules and can significantly increase speed of construction. The hybrid system can further be easily dismantled at the end of building service life that will in turn significantly facilitate recycling, reusing, and/or repurposing of the construction materials, and hence reduce construction waste. The project then utilizes a simple modular stacking system which is comprised of one iteration of each apartment type which follows the same overall structural buildup. These apartments follow the same floor dimensions to allow for stacking flexibility in response to solar access, outward views, and site restrictions. The self-supporting modules are stacked on top of one another on site and connected using a bolted flange connection point. The use of the modular stacking system allows for easy future vertical expansion of the development with the ability to encompass additional apartments on the second and third floors. Along with the prefabricated module system, the project encompasses several prefabricated components that work together to achieve a development that can be disassembled piece by piece. Seen in the diagram, along with the apartment modules, the project's balconies, outer walkways, and staircases comprise of their own structure and can be assembled and connected to the modules on site, creating a more flexible development. The illustrated section showcases the module structural components and explores the material buildup which aims to achieve a prolonged life cycle and low embodied energy. Green steel for the framework and CLT timber infill panels have been used along with hemp insulation and recycled timber to achieve a resilient system that encompasses a low carbon footprint. The existing warehouse structure on the brownfield site has been reimagined and integrated within the new prefabricated development. Seen in the illustrations, the ground floor of the warehouse has been extended out to add more communal areas and support the apartment modules above. The roof of the warehouse has been cut in half to accommodate the overhead modules and fitted with windows to bring light into the public space below. The choice to keep the warehouse's opposite street facade coupled with the heritage facade was to intentionally maintain the characteristics of Fremantle and achieve visual cohesiveness between old and new. It is envisioned that the extended warehouse is a permanent enclosed fixture on the site and can sustain its use in the future alongside a new development. The site chosen for the proposal has been adapted to create a development that focuses on passive design, community engagement, and connection to nature. Outlined in the diagrams, the proposed design pulls away from the classic compact building mass and creates a horizontally displaced development that achieves the best possible balance between privacy and sunlight exposure, all whilst offering dual aspect for outlook and air to all apartments. Multiple bends in the open-air corridors loosen up the strictness of the system and enable natural lighting along the outer walls and into the center of the site. The site further employs landscape edges and views onto the streetscapes to improve the overall neighborhood quality. Employed to accommodate the site's large west elevation, a retractable sun shading system constructed using recycled timber from the existing site allows residents to control solar gain into their apartments. This system comprises of a retractable louver system that follows the sun along a track. This allows residents to control lower west-entering sun in the evenings and further provides privacy from the street while still allowing for outward views. The sunshades are attached independently to the modules and allow for easy modification depending on location. This system creates an exciting western facade that delivers an elegant and dynamic appearance towards the streetscape. The adaptable sun shading further enhances a calming experience into the apartments through a play of scattering daylight. Through the application of these architecture principles, the proposed mixed-use development can achieve a prefabricated, adaptable system that supports long-term asset performance, community health, and sustainability. Thank you for listening.